Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing really good. So today I received this HP 840RG for laptop motherboard. It's completely dead. So now I will try to fix this motherboard. So let's try to fix it. Okay, as you can see, this is a motherboard model number here, part number. So at first I will check main power rail impedance. It's short to ground or not. So I set my multimeter in beep mode, and I will check on of this 19-volt filter capacitor. So as you can see, there is no value or no beeps. That means 19-volt power rail is clear. So now I will plug in and look at my power supply. It's not taking any ampere. It's stuck only 0.21. So now I will measure some required voltage on this motherboard, like 3 volt, 5 volt always, and then ground voltage and 1.8, 1 volt and others. So first I will check 12 volt on of this filtering capacitor. So we have 12.51. It's perfect. Then I will check 3 volt and 5 volt always voltage. So this one should be 3 volt. So we have 3.3 volt present. Then I will check 5 volt. As you can see, 5.2. This always voltage also present. So now I will check 5 volt and 3 volt run voltage. So let's check this under my microscope. So this is a run supply I see here. This is for 5 volt. So I need to check compression. Okay, as you can see, run voltage is present here. So after turn on this motherboard, then here voltage will be available here. So this laptop is not turning on. So here no voltage is available right now. So we have RAM 5 volt present here. So now I will check switching voltage. Okay, we have 3.3 volt present. So now I will check this. Check this 3.3 volt run supply. So we have 3.3 volt present. Other side. Okay, as you can see, we have only 1.295. So this voltage should be 3.3 volt. So in this case, first I will check this pin. Okay, 3.3 here present, but we have only 1.2. So in this case, first I will check this run supply IC, and then I will check again. So let's remove this IC. So I have the rubber board. replace is done. Clean these plugs. Let's cool down. So let's plug in again. So we have 3.3 volt present now and it's turned on. As you can see, this motherboard is turning on. This power LED also glowing here. This is sound and Wi-Fi LED also glowing. And we have 3.3 volt right now in this other side of this RAM supply IC. So it's very simple and it's very easy. So now I will check this display is okay or not. So let's connect this LVDS cable or EDP plugged in. And it's turned on. We have HP logo. So as you can see, we successfully fixed this motherboard and it's now working condition. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much.